Ever feel like your sales team speaks a different language than your finance department? Like crucial customer details vanish into thin air between the moment a deal closes and when the invoice needs to go out? You're not alone. Businesses of all sizes grapple with the challenge of disconnected systems, leading to inefficiencies, errors, and frankly, a lot of frustration. Think about it. Your sales reps are power users of Salesforce, meticulously tracking leads, nurturing opportunities, and closing deals. Meanwhile, your finance team lives and breathes in NetSuite, managing everything from general ledger to accounts receivable. Both platforms are incredibly powerful in their own right. But what happens when these two vital cogs in your business machine don't talk to each other seamlessly? Imagine the manual data entry, the endless spreadsheets exported and imported, the risk of human error creeping into every transaction, the time wasted chasing down information that should be readily available. This isn't just a minor inconvenience. It's a drain on resources, a bottleneck in your processes, and potentially a negative impact on your customer experience. A delayed invoice because the sales order didn't transfer correctly? Not exactly the way to build lasting relationships. So what's the solution? How do you bridge this gap and create a unified flow of information between your sales and finance powerhouses? The answer, and the focus of today's discussion, is integration. Specifically, the powerful synergy that can be unlocked by connecting NetSuite and Salesforce. Integrating NetSuite and Salesforce isn't just about making data move from one system to another. It's about creating a cohesive ecosystem where information flows freely and accurately, empowering both your sales and finance teams with the insights they need to excel. It's about eliminating those data silos and fostering a more collaborative and efficient working environment. Let's dive into some of the key benefits you can expect when you bring these two platforms together. First and foremost, enhanced data accuracy and reduced errors. Imagine a world where customer data, product details, pricing information, and sales orders automatically sync between Salesforce and NetSuite in real time. No more manual rekeying. No more discrepancies between what sales promised and what finance billed. This not only saves time but also significantly reduces the risk of costly errors that can impact your bottom line and customer satisfaction. Next up, improved operational efficiency. Think about the time your sales team spends chasing down invoice statuses or your finance team spends trying to reconcile sales data. Integration automates these processes, freeing up valuable time for both teams to focus on more strategic initiatives. Sales can concentrate on selling, and finance can focus on analysis and financial planning. This streamlined workflow leads to faster quote-to-cash cycles and overall improved productivity. Another significant advantage is better visibility and reporting. With integrated data, you gain a holistic view of your customer lifecycle, from initial lead generation in Salesforce to final payment in NetSuite. This unified data source enables you to generate comprehensive reports and dashboards, providing valuable insights into sales performance, revenue trends, customer behavior, and overall business health. Imagine having a single source of truth for all your critical business data. The power of that for informed decision-making is immense. Furthermore, enhanced sales effectiveness. By providing your sales team with real-time access to crucial financial information, such as credit limits, order history, and pricing, directly within Salesforce, you empower them to make smarter decisions and provide better service to customers. They can proactively address potential issues, personalize their interactions, and ultimately close more deals faster. And let's not forget the improved customer experience. When your sales and finance teams are aligned and have access to the same information, they can provide a more seamless and consistent experience for your customers. From accurate quotes and timely order processing to efficient invoicing and support, integration helps build trust and strengthens customer relationships. Now, you might be thinking, okay, this sounds great, but how does it actually work? There are several approaches to integrating NetSuite and Salesforce. You can opt for native connectors offered by either platform, which provide pre-built integrations for common data points. These are often a good starting point for basic integration needs. Alternatively, you can leverage third-party integration platforms or middleware. These platforms offer more flexibility and customization options, allowing you to tailor the integration to your specific business requirements and handle more complex data transformations and workflows. They often come with pre-built connectors for a wide range of applications, making it easier to integrate other systems as well. Finally, for highly specific or complex scenarios, you might consider a custom-built integration. This involves developing a bespoke solution using APIs provided by both NetSuite and Salesforce. While this offers the most flexibility, it also requires significant development resources and ongoing maintenance. Regardless of the approach you choose, a successful NetSuite and Salesforce integration requires careful planning and execution. It's crucial to define your integration goals clearly, identify the specific data you need to synchronize, and map out the data flow between the two systems. Consider engaging with experienced integration consultants who can provide guidance and expertise throughout the process. Think about the specific data points you'd want to sync. Typically, this includes account and contact information, ensuring consistent customer records across both platforms, product and pricing data, maintaining accurate and up-to-date product catalogs and pricing lists, sales orders and opportunities, seamlessly transferring sales orders from Salesforce to NetSuite for fulfillment and invoicing and payment information, providing sales with visibility into invoice statuses and payment history, shipping and fulfillment details, keeping both teams informed about order fulfillment and shipment tracking. The benefits of a well-executed NetSuite and Salesforce integration are undeniable. It's an investment that pays off in increased efficiency, reduced errors, improved data visibility, enhanced sales effectiveness, and ultimately, a better customer experience. It transforms your sales and finance departments from isolated silos into a unified, high-performing engine driving your business forward. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.